Hola gente, me llamo Joseph Quiroz Vargas y este es mi Bike Check BMX.
I keep the crowd jumping like I'm Chris Cross, bitch.
Timón Odyssey 2013, Grip School, potencia Black Down, cuadros Hyundai, asiento Pivotal Premium, Clam Hyundai, piel Aguila Pickle, Catalina Shao, pedales Odyssey, masa Odyssey, aro Odyssey, llanta Tioga, las llantas son Tioga, de delante también, el aro de delante Odyssey 2013, masa Odyssey, Vex Full, la horquilla es Odyssey, la R32, la de 2013 nueva, y gracias, Comercial Luz.
Chris Cross, bitch. I ain't gon' cross over, ain't round, nigga, move over. They say I ain't gon' make so bitch, yeah, I gotta show you. Man, I'm known in the hood for making that purple bar. You know block or shoot first like John Stark. 40 nights, 40 days, no it's art. If we was living in water, I'll be a shark. I'm in the front, you in the back like Rosa Parks. Got heart like Rosa Parks, hey, what a fuck to start. Don't got a gun, then I'ma use a dart. I fell in love with yellow diamonds since Gucci Mart. Bitch, we shooting over here, no martial law. Oh, okay, man, I'm finna go in, man. Real talk, man. I got nigga knowledge, your girlfriend pussy got hella mileage. I'm a street nigga, so middle finger to college. They say snakes in the grass.